Hey y'all, Josh Transport for Welding. We're in Athens, Tennessee on this very windy day. It was super cold this morning. It's kind of warming up a little bit. I'm going to show you some tips and in the equipment construction world when you're welding on buckets and sticks and booms and whatever, fixing cracks. If somebody says I need it 100% welded, this is what they mean. And a lot of people that's getting into this don't really know what that means, but it's exactly what it sounds like, and it's not that complicated. So here we go. That's a 349 cat excavator bucket. The lip was severely cracked. It actually cracked all the way through the lip and to the bucket floor. There's a weld seam right here that you can probably see in the video where the lip connects to the floor. We've already made the repairs on the back side. I gouged pretty well 1/2 to 3/4 of the way through the crack coming this way, welded it up. Now we're on the front side. We will take this gouge and gouge all the way down to my fresh weld from the back side. Once we touch that weld, we'll stop. We'll prep the metal, we'll grind it, wire wheel it, and if we don't need to gouge no further down, then we'll start building our way back out. So when you're chasing cracks, it's very important that you go all the way through the crack on both sides if need to address the crack and hopefully fix that one issue. Cracks are crazy because they'll spider web and you won't see a certain little hairline crack somewhere, and it's liable to make another stress crack somewhere else. But this is how we repair bucket lips. We've had really good luck out of it. I've never had an issue after the fact repairing them like this. So we're going to finish gouging this. Once I touch my new weld, I'll take a picture or video, post it, and from this on, it's just going to be nothing but videos and music. So here we go.
Backside of 30 came fast, but what's more, I can't remember younger days like before, and it's a shame. I've done more running than most any age, a whole lot of praying on the backside of a stage, scared